Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Unikitty. Let's get started at the top of our page with the eyes. So I'm going to move over towards the right and draw on a large oval. So I'm going to start at the very top and work my way down towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Now before I draw in the left eye, I want to overlap the mouth. So start down here on the right side and just draw an angled line going up towards the left. Now from here I'm going to connect these 2 points with a half oval. So let's start on the left side here. We're going to curve down and then we'll pull that back up on the right side. Now let's take that oval and draw it in behind the corner of this mouth. So we start from this corner, we're going to step in, start by drawing in that oval, going all the way to the top, and then back in towards the side of the mouth. Now we're going to push two smaller ovals on the inside of the eye. So we'll start on the left side on the top here. Draw a smaller oval, come in towards the corner of the mouth, and then just pull that up. We're going to do the same thing on the right side in the opposite direction. So starting from the inside, go around. I'm just going to pull that up on the inside of the eye. On the top left of each iris, I'm going to draw a small oval for a highlight. So starting at the side of the eye, draw that oval, go over towards the right and do the same thing. Now I'm going to go back in and just trace the iris on the inside for the pupil. So let's start at the bottom of the highlight. I'm just going to leave an even space gap all the way around and then in behind the highlight. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Now let's go in and fill the pupils in black. Now let's add some detail to the mouth. So from the top corner of the mouth, we're going to step in and draw a V for one fang. Now on the side of the mouth here, we're going to curve over towards the right, coming down and out. Just above the mouth in the center here, we're going to draw a small oval. Start from the top. This will be for the nose. And then directly above the nose, I'm going to add a curve from left to right, just touching the eyes on the inside. Alright, so now that we've drawn in the face, let's go ahead and work our way around the side of the head. So we start with a curve along the top, just above the eyes, starting on the left. We curve up in the middle, and then back down on the right side. We want to make sure we go past the edge of the eyes. Now we're going to draw on the side of the head. So from here, we're going to step up towards the top of the ear, come down, and then just pull it in slightly towards the jaw. So from the left side, we're going to step up all the way to the tip of the ear. We're going to come down at a slight angle. Now right down here, we're just going to slightly pull it inwards. Do the same thing on the right. Stepping up, come down, over that line. Now right down here, we're going to start to pull it in. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve, just coming down below the mouth. Curving down and then back up. From the tip of the ear, we're going to draw two angled lines coming down and in with a straight line. Now we're going to step in and draw on the horn. From this point of the ear, we're going to step in and just draw a short line. Do the same thing on the right. Now let's connect those 2 points with a curve going up and then down. Now in the middle, we're going to go all the way to the tip of the horn, draw on a point. We're going to angle down in behind this little frame, so just in the inside of that corner. So there's a little bit of an overlap. Now we're going to draw two angled lines coming down across the horn. Start from the left, come down, step up, draw the same thing. Let's add in some eyebrows. So just above the left eye, right in the space here, we're going to curve up and then down over the ear. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Up and then down. Now we're just going to thicken up the eyebrow a little. From the inside, we're just going to angle up and in. Now we're going to taper out. Taper it up and then down. We're going to fill the eyebrows in black. And we'll do the same thing on the right, going up and then tapering it down fill that in black. Let's add in the eyelashes on either side of the eye. So on the left side here, we curve up and out towards the left. We're going to round out the eyelash and pull it back in towards that starting point. Round it out, pull it in. We're going to fill that in black. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Starting on the side of the eye, we're going to curve up and out, round out the eyelash, and then curve it back in towards the eye. And then we'll fill that in black. Now this curve that we have in between the eyes will continue on the side of the head. So on the left side down here, we're going to curve down towards the side of the head. Same thing on the right. Now down here, we're going to draw 2 circles for the cheeks. Alright, so we got the head. Let's work our way down the body. So just below the chin, we're going to leave a little space right in the middle, draw a point. From this point, we're going to curve down and out towards the left, towards the back. Now from here, we're going to do a curve coming downwards, a hard turn, coming out towards the right, and then down towards the foot. Now we're going to take that same length and duplicate it in the back in the opposite direction, curving out towards the left, and then down. Now from here, we're just going to draw the side profile of the body. So we're going to sort of aim these 2 corners in with a short line, just aiming towards each other. Now we're going to connect these 2 points with an arc, going up, curve it around, and then we'll bring it down on the right side. Now from this top point, I'm just going to curve over, up, over towards the right, and I follow that same curve, coming down towards the same height. Now let's connect these 2 points with a straight line. I want to go in and draw on the bottom part of the feet. So we're going to take that line and just duplicate from this corner with the same length going across. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a straight line. Now from these corners, we're going to draw 2 straight angled lines going across, the same length. And then we'll connect it with a straight line. Then from this corner, I'm going to go straight up and then pull it over towards the right, underneath the front legs. Let's add some stripes in the legs. We're going to take this angled line, step up, and draw that twice. And then from those ends, we're just going to go straight across towards the back side of the leg. We're going to do the same thing with the front. Take this angled line, draw that twice, and then from these ends, we'll go straight across towards the right. Now right in the middle, in between the head and the body, we're going to add the neck. So on the left side of center, draw 1 straight line, leaving a gap along the top. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a curve, going up and then down. We're going to draw 2 angled lines coming down from the jaw. Now we're going to connect those 2 points with a curve going in behind the neck, coming down, and then we'll continue this up on the right side. Now the final thing we're going to do is add the tail on the side. So we're going to start right up above the body here. We're going to curve up, curve this around, and then pull it in to right about there. Draw a short angled line going out. Now we're going to curve down and then in behind the leg. It's coming down, then in behind. Now from the very top of the tail, I want to curve in behind the body. So coming in, then down. Now it's going to continue along the bottom of the tail. So right here, curve down and out. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Unikitty. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.